What happens when the actual brain of your car starts to overheat or feels like its internal circuits are cooking? This is what the P06AE trouble code is all about, and it refers to a high voltage signal in the internal temperature sensor B circuit of your control modules. Whether it is your engine computer, your transmission computer, or a combined power control module, these units have built-in sensors to monitor their own internal temperature to make sure they do not melt down. When the voltage in this specific circuit goes higher than the normal operating range, the computer triggers a warning light to let you know something is wrong inside the box. This code can be very unpredictable, and the symptoms range from a simple check engine light to a car that stalls out in the middle of traffic or refuses to shift gears correctly. In some cases, the engine might not even start at all. The most common causes for this internal error are corroded connectors or a loose ground strap that is preventing electricity from flowing out of the module correctly. Damaged wiring or an actual internal failure of the computer itself are also possibilities. The first thing you should do is search for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, because manufacturers often release software updates or flashes to fix these types of internal sensor glitches. Next, you should perform a visual inspection of all the ground wires and straps that connect your engine and computers to the frame of the car. Use a digital multimeter to perform a continuity test and make sure you have 0 ohms of resistance on your grounds. If you find high resistance or corrosion, clean the contact points thoroughly with a wire brush. You should also check the connectors for any bent pins or signs of moisture. If the wiring and grounds are perfect but the code persists, the control module itself might be defective. Be careful not to just swap the computer yourself though, because most modern modules have to be programmed or flashed with your vehicle identification number using specialized dealer tools before the car will ever start again. If you are dealing with multiple module codes or random stalling, it is a good idea to have a diagnostic specialist check the entire network to make sure you are not replacing an expensive computer when the real problem is just a $5 ground wire.